in estate and retirement planning. So steps in retirement planning. So meron tayong 5 steps dito. So one is assessing your current financial situation. The second one is defining your retirement goals. May pa-assignment ako dito sa inyo mamaya. Okay? And then determining our spending needs and our income requirements. Number 4 is choosing the best investments to boost your retirement. And number 5 is implementing and monitoring your plan. Okay? So with this, ito yung outputs naman ng ating webinar. So the first one is a retirement health check report. We will also be able to define your retirement goals. At the end of our session webinar, we will have been able to estimate your retirement expenditures and income requirements. We will also explore possible sources of income for your retirement, retirement fund or retirement expenditures. And then we will also make action points and set up systems to operationalize your retirement plan. Okay? So dito sa step 1, sa assessing your current financial situation, ito yung mga assignment natin, yung classic na lagi kong pinapa-assignment, yung money in, money out, at saka yung statement of assets, liabilities, and net worth. Then we will have, meron din tayo nung financial health check, which is a quick version of the personal finance diagnostics, which is the in-depth version. So, in assessing your current financial situation, if you attended the financial planning course last November, ginawa na natin tong 4 na ito. Ang additional is for this session is the how to track your estate, yun yung meron tayong mamaya, meron akong discussion, medyo mahaba-haba yung discussion natin sa estate records. Kasi ito yung magiging basehan ng pagdidistribute ng assets mo. Baka hindi nila alam kung nasaan yung mga bagay-bagay. Okay? So step 2 is defining your retirement goals. So I'll have you envision your retirement. And paano mo ba pinaplano yung retirement mo? As in, wala na ba talagang trabaho or magre-retreat ka na at magta-travel ka na lang? Ano ba 'yun? So kailangan natin siyang i-define. And then, ano yung retirement age and length of retirement? Tapos, ano yung ating mga financial responsibilities and obligations? And how we are going to help others financially and our legacy. So, yan yung step 2. Okay? For step 3, ito, we'll be focusing on the 5-15-20-60 budgeting rule. Ito ay gagawin ninyo in the accumulation phase for the retirement. Yan yung stage natin ngayon. And once we retire, ito yung ituturo ko naman, yung 4% budgeting rule upon retirement. Okay, excited na ba kayo? And yung sa step 5 is, sa step 4 is choosing the best investments to boost your retirement. So I'll give you yung mga investments na okay for your retirement, and then ano yung mga investments to avoid. Okay? And step 5 is implementing and monitoring your plan. So how do you communicate your retirement plan to your loved ones, to your family members, and then creating a system para mabawasan yung analysis paralysis natin, mga temptations, at saka yung mga heuristics. Okay? So yan yung quick pasada ng ating retirement steps in retirement planning. So for tonight, we will be spending more time dito sa 1 and 2, and then itong 3, 4, and 5 ay for next week. Yan yung focus natin. Okay. Okay, wait lang, ano ba yung nakalagay sa'kin? RP2, okay, RP3. So punta tayo sa ano